Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Gray color, olive color, brown color, red color, pink color, yellow color, violet color, purple color, green color, dark blue color, lime color, black color. Red color. A for animals. Lime color. B for bus. Gray color. C for cake. Dark blue color. D for door. Green color. E for elephant. Pink color. F for flowers. Brown color. G for gun. Olive color. H for heart. Red color. I for ink. Violet color. J for juice. Black color. K for king. Gray color. L for lychee. Purple color. M for moon. Yellow color. N for nurse. Brown color. O for olive. Pink color. P for pillow. Green color. Q for queen. Dark blue color. R for ring. Red color. S for strawberry. Olive color. T for tiger. Black color. U for university. Pink color. V for vanilla. Brown color. W for window. Yellow color. X for Xerox. Lime color. Y for yuck. Black color. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Purple color, violet color, sky blue color, yellow color, light green color, dark green color, red color, black color, orange color, dark blue color, brown color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's learn to count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, violet color, orange color, purple color, white color, yellow color, dark blue color, black color, dark green color. Today we'll learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for aeroplane. L for lemon. T for train. B for books. J for juice. F for frog. C for candy. O for ox. S for strawberry. D for doll. H for horse. Y for yam. E for elephant. M for moon. U. U for universe. G. G for goat. I. I for ice cream. K. K for king. N. N for net. P. P for parrot. X. X for X-ray. Q. Q for queen. Z. Z for zipper. R. R for rainbow. V. V for violin. W. W for water. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.